I'm Amy.
And I'm Katie.
We're with City Hill Design in Memphis, Tennessee.
We have focused a lot on a new construction side of things, help a lot of clients with remodel work, and a lot of that turns into furniture from the inside. So some of our most favorite projects have been the ones that we've started from the ground up.
When we first meet with a client, they say, we just love everything you do, but they don't really know how to put their finger on it. They don't know how to say, what is it? And I think it is that mixture of, mixing materials. We don't say it's a formula, but you mix the stones, the bricks, the metals, the woods. And when you put that all together, all of a sudden you have a really interesting space that you didn't have before. That's how we ran across General Shale and their thin brick, is because we were looking to add that character and charm into a space. We needed something with some texture and some life. I feel like if we didn't have a thin brick to use, I feel like we'd be limited in our design capabilities, because sometimes you just need that natural, earthy, a little bit raw element to add to our designs. And I think that's what brick can give us in our spaces.
Having gotten our start in new home construction, I got to meet Katie, sales rep with General Shale. When you get into training from an interior designer, they teach you how to put things together, but you do not learn the technical aspects of something that goes into a project. And so all the education, the knowledge, everything, I just gleaned from her. And so the more that she taught us, the more that we grew, and were able to then translate so much of that over to client interaction.
We trusted General Shale from the very beginning. We knew that they stood behind their products. If we ever had an issue, they always made it right. We love using thin brick because it's something that looks great now. It's going to look great 10 years from now. And it really goes with whatever look you're trying to accomplish. It kind of just brings it back down to something that feels natural in your space.